Hello, Wasatch fourth graders. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas card, Santa Claus Christmas card. Okay. It looks like this. Okay. When you open it up, you have a place to write your message. Okay. And the back is just a blank. Okay. So if you want to make this, I will give you a set of paper that you will need. This has 4 different color sheet, and I will show you how to make it. Okay. First, let's make the card part. Okay. So to make the card base, you will need this green full-size construction paper and a light yellow inside paper. So go ahead and fold it into half. Okay. And I'm doing this up in the air so you can see, but when you do it, make sure you use the table. Okay. I did show you how to fold the piece into half. So first, match the corner. Okay, pretend that there is a desk here. Match the corner, okay, like that. And then fold the edge with one hand and then slide with the other hand so that you can fold it exactly. Okay. Now, don't fold it this way. That is way too long or too wide. Okay. Make it half to that way. Okay. Now you do the same thing with the inside liner paper. Go ahead, match the edge, hold it down, and slide, and fold it into half. And insert the yellow paper into the green paper and glue it with the glue stick. Oh, by the way, you will need a glue stick today and the liquid glue and black and red markers just for the detail writing for the Santa's face. Okay, so this is the finished inside the card part. Okay, and then we will put this aside. Okay. All right, now let's work on the Santa paper. Okay. You have a red large square and the skin color triangle. First, you will glue that triangle piece to match one corner of the red paper. Now, the red paper is square, so it really does not matter which corner that you glue this on. It will be the same thing. Okay. But make sure it's exactly, the skin color paper matches the corner exactly, and glue it on. Okay? All right. Now, when that's done, okay, let me just glue that on very quickly. Okay, so when that's done, okay, this is going to be the bottom, and that's going to be the tip of the Santa's hat. Okay, and we want to mark the center line on this, the hat part only. To do that, we match the left and the right corner like this. Okay, but you don't fold it shut. Okay, just fold, match the side, 2 sides, left and right, and make a center crease only for the top. So don't fold the face part. Okay, so your center line shows like that. Okay, now when that's done, use that center line to fold the right edge to match the center line. Okay, let me just use my table and show you. Okay, like that. Okay, and you do the same thing from the left. Use the center line to match. And it becomes like that. Okay? All right. Now, we want to make the Santa's hat, the bottom of the hat, showing about this much, about an inch. Okay? So, make that mark on both sides, going a little bit on the edge towards the back. Okay? And this is when you decide how wide you want this part to be. And then turn this over. Okay, now you know the mark. And then go ahead, fold it close. Okay, all right. And that's done. Go ahead. Now this this step, it does not matter how wide. You just fold it up again like this, so that from this side the Santa's hat will stand up. Okay, I did about this much. Okay, it doesn't have to be as wide as the brim of the hat, but I did it about half of that. Okay, so, and now this part that's sticking out left and right is kind of, a little bit ugly. So what we'll do is look at the back side, and then go ahead and fold those edges. Fold those edges so that Santa's face would be a little bit skinnier. Okay? And he wouldn't have anything that sticks out from both sides of the head. Here we go. Does that look much better? Okay. And then you fold the tip of the hat however you want. You can fold a little bit and going down, or you can go a little even, or a little bit up. It's just up to you, however you want. Okay. I'm just going to go like that. Okay. And that's it. That is the origami part. That was a very easy origami, wasn't it? Okay. And you put the glue. This time you have to use the liquid glue because the glue stick is a little bit too wimpy. So put the liquid glue, okay, on the back of Santa's head, and make sure the right side of the card opens up. So don't try to put the Santa on the back of the card. Okay, be careful. Okay, make sure and check which side is the front of the card, and glue that on. Okay, like that. Okay. Now you might have to put something heavy like a book on top of it until it gets settled and get glued for like a few minutes. Okay. And then you will take either a cotton ball or a piece of tissue. Okay. Now I am not providing these things from Wasatch, so you have to get them from your house. If you don't have a cotton ball around, I'm sure you have a piece of tissue. Okay, so you can use either one. Okay, so if you get a cotton ball, don't just put the glue and then just glue the huge thing all over. Okay, this unrolls. Did you know that you can unroll the cotton ball like that? And there you go. Okay. And then you take what you like. Okay, I put some for the tip of the hat, and I use that, the long part, for the beard. You might need 2 cotton balls. It just depends on how you're making it. I did use about 1.5 because I wanted to make the mustache and the eyebrows and the little bit hair showing, but you don't have to. If you just want to do the beard and a tip of the hat, then you probably just need 1 cotton ball. Okay. And if you don't have a cotton ball, you can just use the tissue paper, and there's one direction it's easier to rip. See, it's this direction. If you try to tear it this way, and you just go everywhere. So figure out which way is the easier way to tear it. Okay, and then you just make a wad of little things for the tip of the head. Just put the liquid glue and glue it on. For the beard, you can just glue the edge on along the Santa's face, and you can take the scissors even and give it a beard cut. Okay, or you can just go tear it and make it look fluffy. Just crinkle it up, okay, and glue it. That's up to you. Okay, all right. And the last thing you do is go ahead, draw the eyes, nose, and the mouth where it's the skin color is still showing. Okay, make it happy, and you write the message inside. Make sure you give it to a special person. Okay, and enjoy. That's it. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you again after the Christmas break. Okay. Goodbye, and Merry Christmas.